day, new dollar. Motherfucker saying do it, I'ma do it. Y'all did without. Oh, shit, this life is crazy, man. In and out of customs with the blue collar, goons in the cut, sharp tools in the Impala. I know the savages will move if it's a few dollars. Before the revenue was residue from 2 gallons. On a wild ride, started on the cruise balance. Now I'm wavy, it's true, call me 2 talent. Cause the street knowledge earned me 2 masters. You don't wanna know the burn and it's too graphic. Shit, my future looking dim, had to do magic. With the pen, what's a pen? Nothing new talent. On the road now, never new balance. Just make sure the zero's in the balance. Hey, hey, ballad of OD. They telling me to sing the ballad of OD. Hey, hey, ballad of OD. They telling me to sing the ballad of OD. Oh, ballad of OD. Oh, they telling me to sing the ballad of OD. Oh, ballad of OD. Oh, they telling me to sing the ballad of OD. Oh, cold-blooded, it running my bloodline. Still running the field at halftime. Nothing changed with the numbers in my cash line. Can't escape the past, tried it mad times, some died. But I survived, look, from the ride, hey, that car ain't no good. All in all, I wouldn't change it if I could. All in all, they know my name, knock on wood. My brother from another mother, from another place undercover. Watch me be the voice of the voiceless. Why do I make the right choices? It's all part of God's plan. We the boys from the 90s, that's the time, man. Even if we had to run up on the blind man, you know it ain't easy for the right hand. Hey, hey, ballad of OD. They telling me to sing the ballad of OD. Oh, hey, ballad of OD. They telling me to sing the ballad of OD. Oh, ballad of OD. Oh, they telling me to sing the ballad